class and today we'll do shapes. Arnav and Madhav went to a sports shop and observed the shape of the different thing. Arnav और माधव स्पोर्ट्स शॉप पे गए, उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स की चीज़ें रखी हुई है, बट उनका सबका अलग अलग शेप है. कुछ सर्कल है, कुछ स्क्वायर है, कुछ रेक्टेंगल है, अलग अलग शेप्स की हैं. राइट द शेप ऑफ द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स. सो कैरम बोर्ड, it is the shape of square. Next is plane shape. Shapes which are formed on the plane surface, they are called plane shapes, such as triangle, rectangle, square, circle, etc. Triangle. Tri means 3. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. 3 sides होंगी 1, 2 and 3 and 3 vertices होंगे. Example birthday cap ले लीजिए. That is the example of triangle. Vertex क्या होता है? Vertex is the point where 2 sides meet. So this is the vertex. So 3 sides, 3 vertex. Next is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, यानी 4 corners होंगे, opposite sides equal होंगी. Like here, this is the example of, अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं एग्जाम बोर्ड है, यहाँ पे ये जो फोटो फ्रेम है दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल, और या पेंटिंग है दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. 4 sides and 4 vertex. 4 vertices हो जाएंगे. ऑपोजिट साइड मीन्स ये और ये इक्वल होगी, ये और ये इक्वल होंगी. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर हैज 4 sides and 4 corners. ऑल 4 sides आर इक्वल. कैरम बोर्ड, अगर आप लूडो वगैरह खेलते हैं तो यू कैन सी द बोर्ड दैट इज द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर. क्लियर. सो 4 sides and 4 vertices, all 4 sides are equal. Clear. Next, circle. Circle has no sides, no corner. For example, tire, bangle, coin, all these are the examples of circle. Next is evolution time 9.1. Identify the shape of the following things. Calculator, that is the shape of rectangle. Clear? Next, write the number of sides and vertices in the following figure. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 vertices. Clear? Next, solid shape. The shape which occupies space, they are called solid shape. Like cuboid hai, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, all these are solid shape because they occupy some space. Cuboid की बात करें, cuboid में 6 rectangular surfaces होती है, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Opposite surface of the cuboids are identical, means equal होंगी, just like the opposite wall of the room. Your notebook, that is the shape of cuboid. Almirah, that is the example of cuboid. This is the face. तो टोटल कितनी हो जाएंगे? 6 rectangular faces. These are the edges. तो 12 edges हो जाएंगे and these are the vertices. So 8 total vertices हो जाएंगे. Clear? An edge is a line segment where 2 faces meet. Vertex is the point where 2 or more edges meet. If we take cube, cube is also a cuboid whose all surface are identical. Cuboid में क्या होती है? Opposite faces जो होती है identical होती है. In cuboid all faces are identical. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Example, dice, ice cube, these are example of cube. Next is cylinder. Cylinder has 3 surface, 1 curved and 2 plane. Clear? इसमें कोई भी vertex नहीं होगा. Example, अगर bottle ले लें या pipe ले लें, these are the example of cylinder. Next is cone. Cone has 2 surface, 1 plane and 1 curve and 1 vertices. Clear? Example, birthday cap है. You can see this is also example of cone. Next, sphere. Sphere has only curved face. It has no edges, no vertex. Football, globe, these are the example of sphere. Here you can see a table. Here the name of shape, their faces, edges and vertices are given. Cuboid, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cube, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and no vertices. Cone has 2 faces, 1 edges and 1 vertices. Sphere, it has 1 faces, no edges and no vertices. Next is evolution time 9.2. Give 2 examples from a surrounding each of the following. Cylinder, bottle and pipe. These are the example of cylinder. Next, match the solid shape with the correct shape. Here you can see this is the circle and or you can see square. So the clock is also square shape. तो आपको correct shape से match करना है. Next is straight and curved lines. Straight line, take a piece of thread and hold the thread in your hand and stretch thread from straight line. तो इस तरीके से आप अगर एक thread लेंगे उसको stretch करेंगे tightly. So that will make a straight line. Curved line, now bring your hand closer. अगर आप पास में ले जाएंगे उसको loosely छोड़ देंगे. So you will see the thread will look something like that. That is a curved line. Next, drawing line. Straight line can be drawn using scale, notebook, pencil box. उनका यूज़ करके आप इस तरीके से straight line draw कर सकते हैं. Straight line could be horizontal. इस तरीके से होंगी तो horizontal. अगर इस तरीके से होंगी ऊपर से नीचे, that is vertical. These are slant line. Curved line can be drawn by using bangles, coin, etc. Next is evolution time 9.3. Take the object which can be used to draw the straight line. So we'll use scale, जिसका हम straight line के लिए use करेंगे. Clear? Take the object that can be used to draw the curved line. You can use bangles. Next, how many horizontal line, vertical line, and slanting line, curved line are used to draw the following figure? So आपको करना है horizontal line कितनी है? Like this is the horizontal line, this is horizontal line, this is horizontal line, this is also horizontal. तो आपको total horizontal line count करनी है. Same way vertical, slant and curved line. Clear? Next is mental zone. Cuboid is used to draw. Cuboid का हम जो करेंगे straight line के लिए. Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. A cylinder has. अगर हम cylinder को देखें तो उसमें कितनी होती है? 3 surfaces होती हैं. So C is the correct option here. यहाँ पे chapter end होता है. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.